Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are playing with the Colourpop On Cloud Blue eyeshadow palette. I created a really crazy look inspired by clouds, so I really hope you enjoy it. In this video you will see a tutorial, some swatches, some swatch comparisons, and a quick review. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you enjoy this really fun look and feel brave enough to try it out yourself. Let's get right into the video.
Now check out these beautiful swatches of the On Cloud Blue palette. They are absolutely stunning. As I mentioned earlier, these shadows do seem to be quite wearable and they're quite soft and muted considering they are bright blue shadows. The only thing I can think of that would make this palette better would be a really deep royal blue shimmer shade. I think that would be stunning. For the first comparison, we're looking at fade into hue. There is only really two shades that are similar. Apart from that, it is pretty different. And here we have the Blue Moon swatches in comparison to On Cloud Blue. These swatches are a screenshot from Makeup by Trends. I have linked her video down below if you want to learn more about these comparisons. I just wanted to include it here for your interest because it did interest me as well. And finally, I just wanted to give you a quick look at the Blue e.l.f. eyeshadow palette compared to On Cloud Blue. As you can see, they are very different. It is time for the tutorial now, and this look was so fun to create. It is a bit crazy. However, if you want to make it more wearable, just focusing on the eye look, you could definitely wear this if you're feeling brave. So we're going to prep the eyes with some concealer. And the first shade we're going in with is Ice BB, and this is going to be our transition shade. So I'm buffing this all into the crease area. We're then going in with the shade Love Poem, this gorgeous blue. I love this blue, beautiful. And again, we are buffing this into the crease, right where we put Ice BB. And I've tried to leave this tutorial in real time so you can see just how long it takes me to blend. Then picking up the shade True Blue, I am tapping this on the outer corner of my eyelid. Just focusing this on the outer portion and gently blending it into those crease shades. This is going to help with the nice gradient of the blues and create some dimension. Now for the fun bit, we're grabbing some concealer and I'm using the brush shape to create some cloud forms of the cut crease. So I really wanted this look to be a little puffy cloud on my eyelid. This did work with just concealer. However, if I had used a white concealer or a white paint, this would have been even better. So if you have that, definitely use that. But using a lighter toned concealer will work just fine. Grabbing the shade Blue Taffy, I am tapping this onto that fluffy cloud and blending it in. And this is how we're looking so far. Then grabbing some micellar water and a cotton ball, I'm going to wipe away any fallout. Grabbing some concealer again, I am going to begin to draw little stars. Then using the Colourpop liquid liner in the white shade, I am drawing over the top of that concealer and dotting on some stars. I'm putting some black eyeliner on the top lash line just to help thicken up the lashes. Then for the bottom lash line, we're using True Blue on the outer part of the bottom lash line. and grabbing Love Poem and blending this and buffing this out all onto the bottom lash line. Pretty thick. I really wanted that color to pop through. And I go in again to touch up the stars and try and make them more bright with the white eyeliner. So that is pretty much it for now for the eye look. Now I'm going into the face portion. So putting Love Poem, I'm putting this onto my nose and onto my cheeks to create that beautiful sky theme. I'm thinking I'm looking pretty crazy, but it's fine. It all works in the end. Grabbing concealer, again with the same brush, I'm creating little cloud formations and using the shape of the brushes to create those clouds. Grabbing the shade Clear Skies, I am just tapping this onto my cheekbones to act as a highlighter. I loved this, and I also decided to place it on my brow bone and a little bit on my nose and all over my face. Now grabbing the glitter, I am tapping this onto my nose, again onto my cheekbones and my brow bone. Really love this glitter, it's beautiful. Then using the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in the light blue shade, I'm going to use this in my waterline. And because it's not glittery enough, I'm just tapping a little bit of the glitter on my inner corner. Please be careful because this is not intended for the eye use. So be very careful when applying glitters near your eye. Then a quick coat of mascara and popped on some false lashes, and this is the finished look. What do you guys think? Would you be brave enough to wear this eye look out in public? Please let me know. I think for my first attempt for the cloud eyeshadow look, I think it turned out pretty good and I'm happy with it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.